Hi, it's Jeff from Nature Watch, and today I want to talk about our Honeycomb Candle Activity Kit. This particular kit really appeals to all of the senses. Each child gets to make and take home their very own honeycomb candle. The kit includes real honeycomb, a wick, and honey to taste. All of our kits include everything you need. They're aligned to NGSS science standards and include STEM extensions. It's nice because they each come with a manual, which means that you don't need a science teacher to be able to teach the activity. Each of our kits cost about $1 to $1.50 per child, and they come packed with enough materials for either 25 or 100 participants. Our kits are all about hands-on learning. They're project-based and they're fun. Thanks from all of us at Nature Watch.